Primetime news this evening. 6 dead in 3 days. Police review traffic plan after another fatal Trelawney crash. Girlfriend of murder suspect denied bail after being arrested for attempting to smuggle contraband into lockup. And prosecution in Beachy Stout murder trial rests its case.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're looking at data from the Caribbean Development Bank. They're reporting a slow growth rate across the Caribbean economies. That and more in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer Darlington. He'll give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you, Herman. Well, Jamaica College have taken their protest to have 2 Ghanaian athletes represent them at next month's Boys and Girls Champs. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, most of the island has been experiencing some rainfall today. We also have cooler temperatures than normal, so we'll have some more details on that in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime after the break, but before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking what more could be done to improve the safety of supporters on the campaign trail.
Now you can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at tvjnews center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.